Hello, let's rotate our object, this one, around X, Y, and Z axis. So there's a two patterns exists here. They are, if we want to rotate around X axis, so it rotates around the X axis, so it's kind of up and down. We need to go with a model 5 box, cell, model 9 cell, model 10 cell, and model 6 cell. So it's rotating around X axis. So let me visually represent it. So if we rotate around X axis, we're using this box, these cells 5, 9, 10, 6. So now let's remove this. Sorry. I want you to struggle with me. Not just me struggle. How can I... Why I can't make it... What the heck? Show quick access toolbar, minimize the ribbon. No. Okay. Fine. We'll struggle together anyway, so... Here. A little bit bigger would be nice. Okay. I thought about joke, but I will not joke right now. So in order to rotate around Z axis, and you will understand why in a second why I'm talking about while I'm skipping Y axis, we need to rotate around this box. So it's model 0, model 4, model 1, and model 5. Okay? Hang on, struggle a little bit with me. Okay. Oh, it's very uncomfortable of doing this. Need to have pretty much good aiming. Very good exercise for battlefield. Okay. For the Y rotation around, for the rotation around Y axis, it's a little bit different picture. We want to use crisscross 8 cell, 2 cell, 0 cell, and 10 cell. So it's a cross here. So it's a model 0, model 2, model 8, and model 10. That's a visual representation for you, which cells of the matrix we will rotate. We will use for rotation. My goodness, I can't speak today. Cannot speak today. And cannot draw today too. And cannot erase my drawing too. All together. All together. Okay, there is another pattern, and that is the one on this diagonal. We always using cosines. I can't draw today at all. Cosines. Don't ask me why. I guess it's an internal GPU engine. I guess so. Okay, so let's remove my ugly writing. It's like barely can be understandable. If I come back here in 1 year into this picture, I'll be like, what the heck was that? Okay, So diagonal cosines, other ones, like if we draw for Z rotation, we're using cosine and sine. So model 0 will be cosine, model 5 will be cosine, and model 1 will be sine, and model y will be sine. And there is, I just thought about it, there is another pattern. If you want to rotate around Z axis clockwise, well, let me think about it. Clockwise. Yeah, you're going to use minus sign on the model 4. So it's like kind of positive sign brings the rotation to its direction. I don't know if it's a difficult phrase. Positive sign of sign brings rotation to its direction. So if we want to rotate clockwise, like this way, around this z-axis, we want to put minus on the model 4 and plus, well, it will be plus by its default, on the model 1. If we want to rotate opposite direction, counterclockwise, we're going to bring positive sign on model 4 and negative sign on model 1. So let's prove it. Let's see how it's proven. By the way, guys, remember, it's not tutorials, we're just exploring this together. So we can proceed with my project, but it's kind of tutorial, I guess, because I'm talking about how the WebGL works. Okay, so let's draw it in in here, in the code, in the code. So we need 4 models here. First of all, we need to bring const angle, not scale, angle. Here we're not timing it right now, we just do angle. Let's do 0.5. Why always one time? Ah, by the way, by the way, I'm doing this wrong. Well, it's wrong. And the easiest way of giving the angles to program, I found out, is that we're going, for example, we're going to 45 degrees, and it gives me right now, we're going to multiply our degrees, what we want to turn our object by, multiply by math pi, so it's a pi number, divided by 180, so it's kind of, we divide by 2 this thing. So I accept it, and that gives me right now also angles, which is good. Yes, so you see it's using 0, 1, 0.5, so it's a rotation around z-axis. Rotation, rotation around, what? 0, 1, 4, 5. Why are you doing that? It's not around y-axis, it's a z-axis. Z. Remember 0, 1, 4, and 5. I swear it's around Z axis. This one. This axis here. Okay, I don't know why it was writing around Y axis. It's kind of dumb. It brought me a minus on the model 4. So it will be clockwise rotation. So let's see it. So we see that. I don't know if we'll see it or not. Will we see it? Yes, we'll see it. It will be like tilted 45 degrees. Well, we kind of will not see it. Well, let's try it. Let's try it. We'll see it. We perceive it or not? Yes, we perceive it. So it was clockwise rotation around z axis, but you see it's z axis which is watching towards us or opposite to us. It's kind of goes forward. So I don't know why it was writing y axis. Y axis rotation we will not see right now because the figure is completely same on all sides there. Okay, so let's do it was counterclockwise rotation, was it? Let me see the picture. So it's a positive sign, model for positive sign, clockwise rotation. What? No, right now it's counterclockwise rotation. So I made mistake. I'm sorry. It's counterclockwise rotation. Yeah. So for Z, if one is positive, then we have counterclockwise rotation. Wow. That's a little bit confusing here right now. Let's actually do 30 degrees here, and we will see that it will be less rotating counterclockwise. Yeah, it is a less rotation counterclockwise. Let's do 15. And it's going to be even more or less counterclockwise rotation. Okay, so by experiment, we found out that if I, on the Z axis, if I have minus on model 4 and plus on on model 1, just thinking right now in 3 dimensions, difficult. Okay, well, for you maybe it's easier, but for me it might be difficult. Okay, so we have minus. I'm confused why it brings direction of rotation towards the minus. Wait a second. If we think this way, that is y axis, and we're rotating around this axis. Oi, wait a second. My goodness, what I'm talking about? Completely screwed it up. So this point will be representing of like this. That is z-axis, and right now we're going from positive to negative. Wait a second. Are we going from positive to negative? Yeah, the more I will set this number, so I'm going to set it 30. More angled it will be. So we do on the z-axis, we do bring it clockwise right now. Clockwise. And if we set minus here, which we'll try right now, so we change this sign. Model 1, yeah, okay. What do you want to do? Why you tell what is going what is going on? Get lost. Okay. Okay. 30 degrees. Well, we don't need this here. Okay. So, oh, I'm completely confused. Oh my God. Model 1, it does turn, no, I'm not confused. Am I confused or not? What is going on? So we, on model 1, we set negative sign. So it brings right now clockwise rotation, does it? Yeah, it does. It does bring it right now clockwise rotation. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. So right now it brings clockwise rotation. Let's increase the angle. Let's do it 35. Oh, not 335. Well, we can do 335, but we need to point this here. Okay, I didn't get, did it move? Let's start from the 15. So yeah, it does. So on the Z, it's very strange. It's very strange. So 35. Okay, it moved more. Okay. But that if my plane is upside down right now, for let's say it's upside down, my not plane, my environment in which this object is, that will not change direction of rotation. It will not vice versa it. Okay, so that seems fair. Some there is also one trick exist, as I understand. Some programmers doesn't like to put a sign here because mathematically it's kind of difficult in programming. That was the reason I was given. They put sign here, and let's see that will it screw it up. Program, I didn't try it yet, so will it screw it up or not? No, it didn't screw it up. So we can put here 15 for example. And set less rotation, and if we put here now minus, it will be different direction of rotation. So yeah, so you can put minus sign here or there, and I guess if you double negate it, you'll get the same result. Yep. Well, it's not the same result, but you'll get minus here and plus here because it's double negated. Also, you can do, for instance, 375 degrees, 375 degrees. Let's remove, for the simplicity, minus from here and the minus from here. And let's try it again. It will be the same position as it is right now. Well, it's counterclockwise. It will be counterclockwise. Counterclockwise, yes. So yeah, it will be in the same position as it is right now. No, I mean vice versa. It will be vice versa. And any number you can put here, like 10,476, for example. It will count, it just will overloop it, overloop rotation. Interesting way it's done. It will overloop rotation. So it's rotated several times around and end up here. And end up here. So let's finish for the static rotations, but it's understandable, right? So that will 4 will be bringing counterclockwise rotation. It will bring oh my God, it's I think it's a perspective of thinking in reality. Because right now I'm thinking it's right. It brings the wait a second. 15. See, I'm struggling right now to understand it. I'm weak. Yeah, it's still. So positive sign still bring rotation to its direction. Yeah. You know that effect of joystick when you have either front rotation or back rotation of the I don't know, joystick or how Xbox thing. That's a perspective thinking. It's like you're thinking about in terms of plane rotation or in terms of car rotation. That's what it is. So right now, for me, I'm thinking in different terms right now. And for me, it brings rotation in a positive direction. Yeah, it is. Oh my gosh, it's so clear right now. So our figure right now, 15 degrees, model 4. No. Facepalm. It was facepalm. I have, on model 4, I have negative rotation, so I am totally confused right now. Okay. Should I redo the video? Or is it good for you to get also confused because we come to some conclusion? Let me know in comments. If you don't want that video, I will redo it, okay? If there is no comments, so there is okay, man, leave it alone, then I'll leave it alone. It will show that I confused. 2. Okay, so we have on model 4 negative rotation, and so rotating around the z-axis is counterclockwise. That what confused me. Here we have minus on model 4 right now. So we're rotating counterclockwise right now. That's the evidence right here. 15 degrees. We're rotating, that's a minus sign here. I don't care what later everybody will say, that's evidence. If we set 0 degrees here, it's a straighten up. Straighten up. The light comes from the top. Well, it comes from the little top. From the little top in front of us. So the top part is brighter. The low part is darker. So if we rotate further on 15 degrees, it turns counterclockwise. It turns counterclockwise. It did turn counterclockwise. I was thinking right now, what if we give minus sign? It will go opposite, it should go opposite direction. Let's reload it. It went opposite direction. So right now, by evidence, by example, proof by example, we proved that if we give to model 4 to this number, negative sign, it will bring rotation on itself. Why I'm confused right now? Because I was given information that the positive sign brings rotation of direction to its owner. So it should be to 1. That's why I'm confused right now. It's complete opposite. It's like from the foot to the head world for me right now. But by proving by example, we proved that negative sign brings rotation to its number. That rotating clockwise because there is minus sign, so we're getting of negation. If we don't negate of negation, it will be this direction, which is counterclockwise. Okay. We can't prove on X right now because let's say we're going to go for X. Maybe something wrong with this formula. Okay, if somebody watching it and they have an idea, because really, I don't know why, but I was given information that positive sign brings rotation on itself. So initial information was for me that if I have positive sign on 1, that will be positive rotation, so clockwise rotation. But what we see right now, it's counterclockwise rotation. So if somebody watching it and they know why that happens, please let me know in comments, because I'm kind of lost soul right now. Okay, so let's let's here. Remove this. Okay, now let's rotate around X rotation. How we do this? For example, because we don't care right now, because we don't see this rotation anyway, so we'll say 50 degrees. We're going to, oh my gosh. So X. So this is, what the, this is, oh my goodness, it's not X. X rotation we will see actually. What a confused soul I am right now. This is the X axis. So that will rotate like so. Or it will rotate like so. Oh my gosh, that's bad. No, I don't like it. Or it will rotate like so. So for the X rotation, we're going to use model 5, 9, 6, and 10. Why it's underlined. Around X yeah, of course. Okay, we're rotating around X rotation. Okay, X axis rotation axis. So we're going to make 50 degrees. Actually, since we can see rotation around X axis, let's do it a little bit smaller so we can see. Let's actually make it even right now. Make it even right now. And let's do 35 degrees. Let's actually, yeah, like it was proposing to me 15 degrees here. It's going to be model 5. It was sine, yeah. Model 5, which is cosine. Model 10, which is also cosine. And model, which to set first? 6 and 9. 6 and 9. So right now we have minus on 9 on this model. So what would we expect, expect? I believe right now, that's how I feel. It will be rotating from us. So not this rotation, but this rotation. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just look it up. That's the one thing leave for me. Let's look it up where it moves. I bet it will move the white lighter, the top will move away from us, like it's declined from us. But I may be wrong. No, it's of course I'm wrong. It's unbelievable. It moved towards us. Okay. Okay. Let's do 30 degrees rotation. So it moves more. Yeah, it moves more. Interesting. Let's do 45, no, 90. 90 degrees rotation. What we'll see? Interesting. We'll see the head. It's like Vietnamese head right now looks like. Okay. Let's move a little bit, like 80 degrees. Oh, umbrella. Umbrella could be either. Okay, so it doesn't look like diamond at all. It looks like umbrella or Vietnamese head. You know, which the ones which cover the from the sun. Very good. Okay, okay. So we understand this. Now, if we do small amount of rotation, so let's look it up. Which rotation was that? So it moves in, moving to, so that was this rotation. This rotation. It moves towards us. So 9, 9 is going to move towards us, and 6 moving away from us. So if we set 15 degrees, we're not playing right now. You got it, right? We can put sign here or there, or can put sign right here. Actually, interesting. One more play. I will leave it. I think it will break right now. I'll put a negative or distorted very much. I'll put negative sign here, but nowhere here. Let's see what happens. It either breaks or distorted. What? It worked? What? What the heck is that? And it's 15. Oh my god. What the heck is going on? Minus 30, let's do. Will it move towards us? And it's right now it looks like a diamond. It moves towards us. But if we put positive sign here, it moves away from us. So we can apparently we can manipulate angle by giving minus here. Interesting. Let's do log of model 15. I need to look at it. Oh yeah, I mean 515. What 15? I need to look at it. Let's move it actually down here. Let's close this one here, and let's do comma, and then we're going to do like this, like that, like this. Model here. No. 6, 9, 10. Yes, that's what we want. Okay. Let's see what it will print out. Let's comment this out. Comma models. Clean this up, and see what it will give us. Models 0.08, 0.5, 0.5, 0.0866. So we changing only you. We changing model 5, which is cosine. Wait a second. No. We're not changing model 5. We changing actually will give 60 degrees here, not 660 degrees here. And let's not clean it up. Actually, okay. So here, so we remember that was for model 5 and model 10, they are 0866 and there's 0 0.5, 0866, 0 0.5 very loaded. And now we're getting what? 0.5 for cosine? Ah, yeah, of course I changed it. Okay, so they all changing then. Okay, probably you screaming, yes, they all changing. What? Why you don't understand this? Yes, I don't understand this, okay? I don't. I was expecting it would be changing only signs, not cosines, but it's changing cosines. Okay, so 0.5 again. 0.6, what the heck is going on? It's the same numbers all over the place. So how are you rotating them? I'm confused. Press F for me, please. 130 degrees. Ah, 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 ah. Now it's changing. So I was always given the numbers which are kind of similar. That's why. What if we put minus here and it will be tilting. So we come to the conclusion that if we do this 9, it will bring rotation on towards us. We do 30 degrees. It's towards us, but what numbers? So 0.86, my point. What is going on? Ay, 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 ay. No. Okay, so now it's changing. Okay, now it's changing. But changing sines and cosines. Yeah, of course they will be changing altogether. Because angles to here. Why? We have all angles here. Of course they will be changing altogether. But it's interesting that how they are similar. Where is it? It's gone. Okay. How they are similar. Interesting that we have 254. How we have first one. Okay, yes, I got it. Okay. So that's rotation around x-axis for you right here. The time is flying. Oh my gosh. Yeah, laugh at me. I'm struggling here. 0 degrees will be straight. Okay, now let's go for Y rotation. And Y rotation we will not see, I'm sorry. We will not see it at all. But we'll do it anyway. Right? We will do it anyway. We'll go to get rid of these ones. And get rid of these ones. Okay. So, Y rotation now? That this rotation. We remember that the crisscross here. Crisscross here. And again, a cosine on the diagonal. Diagonal 0, 10. So we're going to write down here cosine 0, 10. And around y, around 2 and 8, it will be sine. 2 and 8 going to be sine. Thank you for letting me know. I'm going to do this. It's going to be straight and it's going to stay. I'm sorry. Whatever right now angle I will do, can do 15 angles. It will be this. It's not what? It did turn. What about 20 angle? We can see it actually turned. 20 angle. Yeah, it's turning. We can see it's turning. Okay. Barely, but we can see it. Or we can go opposite. Oh, actually opposite. Yeah, so that rotates. Okay. So let's do it again. 15. 15. Not 16. 15. And you kind of see, but the question is which direction it moved. We'll see it when it will be dynamic. We'll do dynamic rotations too. Right now it's static, we'll not see it, so we just rotate different. Oh my gosh, I don't know where the keyboards cells are. It's kind of, we can see it rotating, but it's not seen because from all directions on y axis it's all the same. But we'll see it in the dynamic rotation, and the dynamic rotation will be in the next video. Okay, subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe. I'll go on a strike. Subscribe, and like videos. Thank you. I'll see you in next video. Have a great day.